Howdy folks, I'm Keith Bowen and this is Hard Rock University. I haven't put out a video in a while because I've been real busy trying to A, pay the bills, B, figure out a method of extracting the gold on Mojave 1. It's got some hot pockets there. I don't know if it'll be economical, but in order to be economical we have to be able to recover the gold, and it is really super fine. Think powdered sugar fine. That seems to be where most of it is, that a little bit coarser. So it's been a bit challenging, making some progress. Hopefully testing today will make things better. But anyhow, I wanted to get a video out, and I took some when I was up in Idaho. As you remember, some really nasty gold. It was really flaky. It would float on top of the black sand, and so it was hard to clean up. Now, the best method I saw to clean it up was a gold cube. People had spirals, they panned it down, they used a lot of different techniques. The gold cube seemed to be the most efficient and the easiest that I saw. Had a video on it. So that gets you down to a super concentrate, still doesn't get you to clean gold. And one guy there seemed to be able to get clean gold really well, fairly easily. Wayne, who was so helpful in so many other ways, also had this technique that he used to get clean gold from super concentrates. And as a special treat, I wanted to bring that to you here. He gave his permission and let me film it and everything. And I think you'll find it amazing to see just how easy it is for him to get clean gold when he's got some nasty flaky gold to deal with to begin with out of his super concentrates. So enjoy, and I hope it helps you out. Okay, so now that Wayne's got this down to very little concentrates, quite a bit of gold. Everything he can. Tap, bring it up until the black sand starts coming with it, and just a little drop, real gentle flow out of the nozzle to knock it back down. A lot of these are just about the size of salt and pepper. Gold, real nice and smooth. Yep. A couple little tiny specks in there yet.
appreciate it.
So this is Wayne's larger flakes from 2 days of dredging here.
Maybe about a penny and a half. Usually when I pile it up, probably about a penny and a half, maybe 2 pennies at the most.
Okay, so 4 to 6 grams. Yep. Alrighty. I hope you found that as interesting as I did when I first saw it. So happy prospecting and keep it safe out there.